Alright everyone, welcome back. So you can see right here on the screen is a $1,000 Forex account which I'll be showing you process on how to claim it. Every single steps I'll be giving you the terms and conditions. All you just need to do is to pay attention to every single details I'll be showing in this video. Now one advice I'll be giving you as a Forex trader is that don't trade Forex except you've actually learned Forex. So for those who are just seeing this video for the first time, I'm Daniel Light. Kindly click on the subscription button to subscribe to the channel. That's one big way of saying thank you to this hard work I'm actually putting to making sure everyone gets a free capital to trade the live market, and you can at the same time you can actually make withdrawals from them. So give the video a like. So without wasting time, let's dive into the terms and conditions for the $1,000 account we should be talking about today. So you can see right here on the screen the reward distribution. For the first place, you'll be getting a $2,000 account with a $2,000 reward. The second place will be getting a $1,500 reward, while the third place will be getting a $1,250 reward. From the fourth to the 10th place will be getting $450 reward each, while 11th to the 40th place will be getting $250 each. The 41st to the 70th place will be getting a $150 each, while the 71st person to the 100th person will be getting a $100 reward. So this right here is the reward distribution of what you'll be getting if you actually get top 100 of those who actually pass this account without losing 20% of the capital we should be getting. So click on the link I'll be adding to the comment section. It brings you right here to this broker that says XM. Now you can see right here, this is the name of the broker who should be giving us the $1,000 free Forex account. So right here, once you click on, if you don't see any three lines at the top right here, click on this XM logo, this right here at the top, click on it, then it loads us to the main menu where you'll be able to see three lines at the top of our screen, which should be giving us more options to actually proceed to either creating an account or logging in to the account. So right here, once you click on the logo, on the XM logo, you click on it, then it shows this next interface where you have the option of these three lines on the screen right here. So clicking on the three lines, then it brings every details like this, the trading discovery, and right here you see get started beneath and login. Now for those who have an account with them, you click on login and then you log in into your account, and for those who don't have an account yet, click on get started, follow the procedure and create an account with them, submit your details for verification and make sure you get verified. So I'm actually going to be clicking on login to log in into my account with them right here. So for those who have an account, click on login and come to this section right here that has email and password. Input your details into these boxes right here for the email and your password. Put in your details correctly and then click on login. Now immediately you click on login, you have to verify with an authentication, which will be sent a code, which they will send the code into our email address. Now right here, code has been sent to my email address. I just need to go straight to my email, copy the code. You can see the notification up at the top of my screen right here. Copy the code, come back into this box right here, into the boxes right here, paste it, and then click on verify the code. Now once I verify the code, I'll be logged in into the site. Now I've been logged in right here. You can see every single details showing on the screen. Now see, I've been verified at the top. Your account is verified. So all we need to do is to come to this last icon that says more, is what you click on without wasting time. You can take your time to explore the site, but you explore the app, but clicking on more right here will take us to where we'll be able to claim the $1,000 free Forex account. So click on more, you can see every single detail, but right here that says competition is where we're actually heading to. So you click on competition, then wait for it to load, and then it shows details like this on the screen. So without wasting time, click on find competition, because there are different type of competition under that aspect that says competition. So click on find competition, then it shows you the list of available competition which you can actually participate in. So there are some which you actually need to pay to participate, and there are some which you can actually participate to either backtest, to do some backtests and stuff, and there are also some which you can actually participate for free, and it occurs every week. This competition right here happens every week. So you can see right here, this one that says free entry is what you click on. This right here that says demo weekly and is what you click on. So you can see this one that says paid demo, which you need to pay at least $5 to be able to participate in that. So you click on this one that says free entry. Immediately you click on it, it takes you to this next part, having details like this on your screen. Alright, so in this next part you get to see full details about this competition right here. So to proceed, you can just click on start competition, but let's take this few seconds to take a look at more information which you can actually get about this competition right here, about this account. So if you scroll up a little bit, you see the total number of people that have actually participated and those that are active, or why those that have actually been disqualified. Now, to get disqualified, you would get disqualified if you actually lose 20% of the account, which is $200 from the $1,000, which is actually going to be given to us. You get disqualified if you lose $20 from the account. So right here is the list of everyone active in the competition right here. So you can now actually, once you participate in it, you can actually come to this section to take a look at your progress to know where you have actually gotten to in the competition. So right there, once you click on start competition, it shows details like this. There's a small box right here in front of this right here of this place is what you click on to agree to the terms and conditions, then join the competition. Immediately you click on join, this right here will be shown on your screen that says success, which means you have actually been added to the competition and you'll be given a live account just like this, which you can actually just start trading. So don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Any aspect you don't understand, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel so you get notified anytime I drop updates on forex deposit bonus and stuff like this. Have a nice day, guys.